Hi, Sean Delmore here with CK Worldwide. Thanks for joining our program today. Today I'd like to discuss with you the CK Worldwide WF3 cold wire feeder. I get a lot of questions about the cold wire feeder, so I thought I would take some time to go through some of the features, benefits, and advantages of the system to help you better understand its operation. The biggest thing about the cold wire feeder is it eliminates the need for cut lengths of wire. Cut lengths of wire are traditionally anywhere from 40 to 60 cents higher in cost per pound. And associated with cut lengths of wire are starts and stops that can lead to weld defects. So the opportunity with a cold wire TIG feeder is we can run off of a 12-inch spool of MIG wire versus a cut length of wire, eliminating the starts and the stops. We have basically three options that you can choose from. We have the handheld pendant, which basically sends a signal back to the wire feeder when you hit the switch button to start delivery of the wire. And the handheld pendant allows you to use your existing TIG torch in one hand and get the benefit of a continuous spool of wire. It's also very handy for out of position welding where the torch mounted design is less conducive. The torch mounted design is available with a water cooled torch. It is mounted to the wire guide and feed cable assembly is mounted to the head of the TIG torch and is held into position by a wire guide bracket. The control button sends a signal, just like the hand pendant, back to the wire feeder to initiate wire feed. And what I thought I'd do is go through some of the controls here. We have a wire feed speed potentiometer, so I can set infinitely the control of the wire feed speed in continuous, or I can turn the toggle down here into pulse and set a dwell and a drive time in seconds, simulating that manual dipping of the filler metal as you would with a cut length of wire. In a mechanized applications, I have additional controls here for wire delay and wire retract. So where I've got my machine mounted or my robotic mounted TIG torch, the wire retract feature pulls the wire back out of the puddle at the termination of the weld, eliminating the filler metal from sticking at the puddle. And the delay feature, which allows me to initiate and establish a puddle before beginning feeding of the wire. In essence, that's the basics of the WF3 cold wire feed system. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-426-0877 or check out our website at ckworldwide.com. Thank you.